Hello, everyone. Very excited here at Ada Intelligence to let you know that Ada is now also Ada Aid. In other words, she's an AI agent that you can talk to about your social emotional skills, and it can help you both understand your skills today after you do an assessment, or it can help you develop a path towards better skills as you improve yourself one way or another. So again, very excited. So I just want to show you how it works. So for example, this is the interface for Aid. Again, she's an AI agent, very focused on and trained on social emotional skills. So let's start with asking, who are you? Because it's always good to know who are you and what can you do. So uh, it works just like any other LLM system. Again, very focused, particularly on social emotional skills. So here it's going to tell you, I'm Ada, your companion in exploring and developing social and emotional skills. My purpose is to support you in understanding yourself better and enhancing your emotional intelligence, empathy, and resilience. I can help with, and it gives you all of these options: reflective questions, data storytelling, skills development, conversational coaching, and of course, personal and social and emotional assessment once you take your skills report. Again, if you have a skills report, you can actually upload it. Let's ask just another question. Why are you called Ada? So interestingly enough, it does have its own personality. It does know who she is. And it says, here you go, I'm called Ada in honor of Ada Lovelace, who is considered the first computer programmer and a pioneer in the field of computing. Her work symbolizes the beautiful blend of logic and imagination. So again, yes, we named Ada after Ada Lovelace, and I knows that. So let's start by asking some very simple question. Let's ask about what is grit? One very important social emotional skill. What is grit? And it's going to give you a rundown, and it's going to ask you questions as well. So if you want to know a little bit more about a particular skill, it's going to ask you if you want to develop it, if you want to understand it, etc. So here you go. Grit is a powerful trait that combines a passion and perseverance towards long-term goals. And here it gives you some of the aspects. And how do you feel about your own grit? Have you faced challenges where your personal your perseverance played a role, etc. So you can interact with it, and it'll do some social emotional coaching for your skills. Now, the other thing that we can do is if we already have an ADA report for social emotional skills, we can just upload it, and ADA is going to help us understand it. So I'm going to tell it I am, uploading my skills report. Please help me understand it better. So let's just go to browse files. I'm gonna send it over. And what it's gonna happen now is that is gonna go through your report. It's going to take out the most important parts, and it's gonna help you understand it bit by bit. And from then on, you can actually ask it to help you develop some particular skills better, or to give you a plan for a week, a month, a quarter. It doesn't matter what you want. You can ask it to do it, and I will be happy to do it for you. And here we have the results. And as you can see, it tells you what the overall score is. So it's 7.42. So it's telling you that you have a solid foundation on your core work skills. So again, this was the core work skills assessment. And it's going to go on a breakdown on group by group. So instead, again, if you don't want to read your whole report, you can just come to Ada, and Ada is going to help you understand it. So it's going to give you task performance, emotional regulation, and the specific skills like stress resistance, optimism, and it's going to give you what it says, and actually going to give you some tips. So this area may need more focus, as you might find it difficult to manage your temper or frustration. Talking about emotional control, which a 5 is sort of average, average to low. So again, it tells you where you excel. It tells you where you have some gaps that you need to improve, etc. And here's a summary. It also gives you an idea of next steps. So what you should focus on. Again, emotional control. For Ada, this is very important because it's going to help you with many other skills. So let's say, please help me develop a plan for the skills I need to improve, and also how I can leverage my strengths. So in this case, I'm asking it to focus on those skills that I need to improve, but also give me some idea of how I can leverage my strengths. because this is important. When we're talking about skills, we have some of them that are very strong, and we can actually use them to improve other skills at the same time. So skills to improve. It's saying, is suggesting emotional regulation, specifically emotional control and assertiveness, because enhancing the ability to express your needs and opinions confidently. So that's what's important. Now, some specific goals for both emotional regulation and assertiveness, and leveraging strengths. It's telling you to leverage collaboration skills, because this one came up high, open-mindedness, because also high, and creativity. It's also telling you how to monitor your progress, etc., etc. Now, the important thing is that you can keep talking. It remembers all the conversation, so it doesn't matter. You can just keep going and going. And if you want to start a new conversation from scratch, you just hit reset conversation, and that's it. So now here we have it. Now we have AIAid. This is a full-fledged RAG AI agent that is going to help you improve your social emotional skills. Not just understand them, but also improve them. So I invite you to now use your own data to improve your own skills and improve your life. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you want to try out AI, also let us know, and you'll be one of the first to know once we launch it.